Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5083631, because of this error code, that is 0x800f0845 or 0x80040154. Now the first step is to restart your computer. Simply restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. If that does not work, go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option. Click on pause over here, and then once paused, click on resume updates and then check. Still not working, you can reset Windows Update components. Now for this, you can copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy this command till here, and then type in Notepad in Windows search box. Open Notepad, paste all the command over here. Go to File, Save As. You can save it to desktop. Name this file as wuauserv.bat, and then you can click on save. Now go to desktop, make a right click on wuauserv.bat file. Make sure that you run it as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow and let the process complete. Now if you receive a prompt, do you want to continue this operation, type in Y for yes, hit the enter key and let the process complete. First of all, it will stop all the Windows Update components. It will stop all the Windows Update components, and then it will run some scans. Now the scans will take some time. This process will take some time, and once all the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows component service. It will restart it, and then once this is done, it will close automatically, or once this is complete, you restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Restart is a must. Now still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can scroll down and then click on here. You can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. Once closed, go to desktop. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.